Hi, students. Welcome to video model 103. So far, we have discussed various issues of training program, especially in the last video model. So we discussed the training program, why it is important and its objectives, and then as a whole, the benefits of the training programs. So in this the video model, we are going to understand the training program, how it is a systematic approach, right? So when we just conceive a training program and conduct training program, and then use it as a kind of intervention in the ongoing process. So how it is going to enhance the employees the performance and add value to the overall the performance of the organization at the greater extent. So in that way, you can see the training program from the systems the perspective. So the learning objective or learning that we are going to gain from this the module is you will understand and how this training program is systematic and how to just apply the systematic approach for training program to ensure that whatever that we are intended as outcome from the training program that we are going to get by just spending time and then resources while conducting the training programs. So if you just look at the systems systematic approach to training programs, so the key concepts in preparing a training programs. So before we train and develop employees, identify what they must know before they can perform the job. So first of all, this must be a very systematic way of organizing that we must know what they want, know what they must know before they can perform the job. So that we have to be very clear that. So instead of expecting performance from the employee, so what actually we are expecting from them, that we have to inform them and we have to make them to learn. So what we are expecting from the job. So they should know to improve the performance. So they must also aware of that how to improve the performance on the job, and would be nice for them to know that, but not necessarily to perform duties. So you can see that a systematic way of looking at the job, looking at the jobber, and identifying the expectations from the job as a part of the performance, and what employee can do out of that, and then where the employee can improve the training programs, and how they are supposed to improve these training programs. So these are the certain issues that we have to inform very clearly to the employees. So if you just look at the a classic the training system and the systematic approach, that starting from the need of the training program. So need assessment, that is organizational analysis, the task level, or even knowledge, skills and attitude analysis, the person's level analysis, organization's level. So you can see that three levels of assessment that happens: organizational level, task level, or even person's level. So based on that need, so we just develop the training objective. So once we develop the training objective, so then the select and then design a training program. So we are going to design the training program. So of course we'll discuss separately the training design, training program design and training process. So everything in the coming video models. So once we just the select the training the design, then you can just see the training program. So then the training program development criteria, and then the use of evaluation method. So there are two things like so we develop the training program, and we design the training program, and then we can see that the training program is validity and the transfer of validity, and then at the same time astronomical validity, and then at the same time you can see that the validity is very really useful for the organizational context. So like that you can see evaluation level and then execution level. So it is a logical and then scientifically arranged everything based on the need, and then it will see at the end. So when we conduct the training program and the employees are attending, so that is valid and then useful for the everyone. So that is the a systematic approach that we see in the training programs. Right. With this, let me stop here and looking forward to meet you in the video 104. So thank you.